Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Momo token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Momo, take the big pill and dive into one of the loudest, most loyal and rentless communities in the crypto meme coin space. Built on Solana, Momo is the first female Shiba Inu and embodying fairness and equal representation in crypto space with a barrage of art, culture, and pure mimetic energy. The Momo community near feds. The Momo team continues to build organically in close engagement with the community according to website through monthly donation charity, collaboration with other alliance crypto communities and ethical business practices. Momo token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 994.62 million Momo token. Momo token is listed on MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.